is a chilly, well now it's 40 degrees here, and I think this is part of Boulder, Colorado. I'm pulling up to the Shortstop Gunbarrel, is apparently what it's called on Google Maps, and they have a car wash to check out. Although not a very exciting one. But as I said, I'm basically gonna do a bunch of these anyway because that's all we got around here now. I guess this way. I think so. Like I pre-planned this out. I think this was the easiest way to get in here. It is open. That's good. Someone's in. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? This is goofy! What the heck? This used older Razor replaced a Kondor. That is weird. And the dryers are on the outside. That is weird. Oh man, that is weird. What the heck? Why is he not going out of the bay? What the heck? Oh, now he just woke up. It's like he almost drove into the washroom. I think his mirror was hitting it or something. Oh. Thank you very much, door. This replaced a Kondor. I've never seen a machine replace a Kondor before. That is unheard of. So yeah, there are your wash options, a 9, a 12, and a 15. Well, the good news is I get to document another older Razor, which I actually need to do. Let's see, the Fenway. Put my card in the right way. Okay, let's do printing receipt. I don't need one. What? Please wait, wash and use? No, it's not. Oh, the machine's What the heck? Okay, is anything coming out of the arm? I don't think so. The machine must be doing a reset cycle. Maybe the wash ran into the guy's car in front of me. Because he was very over to the left. That was weird. Yeah, it's still got jars on the outside, but an older Razor, basically what the heck? An older machine literally replaced a newer machine. That's crazy. That's weird. All right, now I can go. This literally replaced a Kondor, an older Razor. See, it's got the Belanger side blaster. This is gonna be my thumbnail. This is probably one of the strangest car wash replacements I've seen so far. A Kondor getting replaced by an older Razor. The arm's kind of crooked. Unless that's on purpose. Someone else is behind me now. This replacement is just so bizarre. The first time I've seen a machine literally get replaced by something older. That's like just super strange, super weird. Luster foam. I was like, what's next? I think this thing still does have the same superior dryers, so that's good. Well, I think the door is going to mess up the startup capture. Well, I think this is just a sealant / water repellent. Yeah, luster foam with carnauba wax. Luster shield. No spot-free rims, or maybe it just was labeled incorrectly. Working pretty good as usual for these older dryers. Definitely an unexpected replacement, to say the least. Door closed. Yeah, these old superior dryers, they always kick butt. It's a little hump in the way that's kind of annoying there. I think that's it, my dryer timer. Well, it actually seemed like a pretty good wash. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it.